Two household names in insurance, Allstate versus Liberty Mutual. But which one truly has your back when you need it most? Representing reliability and coverage, we have Allstate on one side. On the other, Liberty Mutual, known for its customizable protection. Let's cut through the marketing talk and see what really matters. We'll put each company to the test in key categories, tallying points as we go to reveal a clear winner. The final outcome may surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're gonna look at price and value, claims experience, coverage options, digital experience, and customer satisfaction. So a bit of everything that actually matters when you're choosing insurance. Let's kick things off with price and value. So with Allstate, you get some nice bundling discounts and claim-free rewards, those little perks that make you go, maybe it's worth it. But honestly, in a lot of states, their rates are kind of above average. Not always the budget pick, you know. Now, Liberty Mutual, this is where they really want to win you over. The rates are pretty competitive and you have those flexible coverage options to tweak your plan just how you like. But keep in mind those discounts can really depend on what state you live in. Still, overall, if you're hunting for value, Liberty is kinda stealing the show here. Alright, claims experience. You want your insurance company to be there when stuff actually happens, right? Allstate does a really solid job with fast claim response times. It's not just talk, and their app is honestly pretty awesome to use when you need it most. That said, some third-party ratings are a little, mixed when it comes to how much they actually pay out. Liberty Mutual gives you easy online filing, which is sweet for filing a claim with just a few clicks. Accident forgiveness, they've got it. But some folks have mentioned the process can be slower at times, so in this round Allstate just edges it out. Moving on to coverage options, both Allstate and Liberty come ready to play. Allstate lets you really go wild with add-ons, and honestly that DriveWise telematics thing is kind of cool if you like tracking your driving. Some coverage extras do cost more though, fair warning. Liberty Mutual, super customizable plans, and if you just got a new car, their new car replacement coverage is a sweet safety net. Only catch: you might need to get a quote to see everything you qualify for, but really, both bring a ton to the table here. It's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Liberty Mutual's iconic Statue of Liberty logo has actually been around for over a century. Not bad for brand recognition. Okay, digital experience time. Allstate's mobile app is super highly rated. People love using it for managing policies, claims, all of it. The website is easy too, even for, folks who aren't exactly tech geniuses. Occasionally, the app might glitch out for a bit, but nothing major. Liberty Mutual holds up with some pretty good online tools and digital claim docs. That's convenient, but their app just isn't as feature-rich as Allstate, to be honest. So Allstate definitely wins here. Let's wrap up with customer satisfaction. Allstate has a strong network of agents, which is awesome if you like talking to real humans, but heads up, their customer service scores can kinda change depending on where you are. Liberty Mutual comes in swinging with above-average J.D. Power ratings, and people say their service is super responsive. Only thing is, not as many local agents. Still, for overall satisfaction, Liberty takes the win. Here, how it all stacks up, side by side, it's super clear where one leaps ahead over the other in each category. Alright, so after running through everything, here's my take. If you want the smoothest claims and the best digital tools, Allstate is tough to beat. But if you're watching your budget and want responsive customer service, Liberty Mutual is honestly a really strong pick. Honestly, check out quotes from both, see how it feels, because your best fit might surprise you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.